Alright guys, welcome to Two Boys RC. Today we out with the fellas, man. We finna get in some speed runs, man. Today is finna be an epic day. We got some stuff we can't show you though, man. We got a real killer over here. So make sure y'all watch this, man. It's finna go down. Hey look, we got Limitless on top of Limitless out here too. Yes sir. Typhons, whatever you got. What's this one? The yellow one.
That's GTP.
GTP. Check that out. Oh, we got the Infraction, baby. Damn. There you go, guys. Limitless, GTP. Typhon, Limitless, Infraction, baby. Typhon. Hey, that's with the Max 5. SMCs.
I brought that Hyperion.
Limitless, Typhon.
Actually, I have a USB plug on my remote.
We over here too. We at the end. We're gonna change them tires too, man. Well, I might give it one run with them tires and tear them up. I'm gonna tap the tires and then I'm gonna go ahead and change them.
Mine got destroyed by a car yesterday.
Oh man!
Over. That's why it's like that.
Dang.
This remote, Joey?
This one, yes. So it's EMAT's motor. Basically, yeah. It came off of a Revo. Yeah, I believe. Yep.
You're clear behind you.
Alright, which way should I come from?
Definitely don't go into it.
Which way? Yeah, it's coming this way, so you might well start that way. Start that way and come back this way, bro. Yeah, the wind coming this way. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Do like a 3-point turn plus. plus. Yeah, plus.
Oh, EPA?
Yeah.
Slow it down, brother. Slow it down. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit, brother. Good shit.
Feel okay?
My brother got it in.
86.8.
86.8, guys. 86.8.
Alright.
Check that out.
At least you got 100 there. Yeah.
Taking it.
Still good.
Fuck.
Let it go, bro. Alright, guys. We're running another Typhon. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. We finna get it in.
So you guys run it like the same type of... I don't know. He hasn't told me much about it yet.
Good run, brother.
Nice run.
Nice run. Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
You're so hot, you don't want to use your brake.
Yeah.
Let's see what that was. Max 5.
Let's see what we got.
It seems like
Max 5,
it
y'all.
looks like a 112.
Yeah, you definitely got the one. Ooh, 107.
107.
Let me see. Let me get him.
107.
107, guys.
She got more. She got more. We let her cool down and try it again.
There you go.
She got more.
Want me to
There you
get the
go.
charger
107, guys. We hit it.
No, I have enough juice here. It's a
Nice run, bro.
So I can drop things.
That was nice and straight. I liked that.